Hello guys, hope you are doing well. So today we'll see how you can use this course size model plugin. Okay, so whenever you see your size are getting increased in context of the course size only, course size, which includes the backup also, and you have to find out which course is taking larger in size. So this is the plugin model you can download and install into your LMS. Here I have already installed. And how you will see the report? So report basically will be displayed like this. You will have the list of courses, all the courses, then the disk usage, then the backup size. So how much the backup is taking in case you have enabled the backup, then the backup size will also be displayed here, greater than 0. If not enable, only the 0 will come here. Okay, so let's see the demo on live. So since I have already installed the plugin, so there is no need to install from the fresh here. So this is the report plugin. So basically you'll find under reports. Okay, so under site administration, we'll have to switch here under reports. Then here you can see the course size. Okay, so this is the same thing I installed this one. So if I click on this, I can see like this. Okay, so course size and the user top 10, which top 10 user, it will also give you with this plugin. Okay. So course size plugin not only give you the list of the courses and what size they are using, it will also give you the list of top 10 users which are consuming your more spaces. And also the course size, I have many courses here, but not displaying the all here. Okay, you can see the list of courses are very high here. If I go to testing, I can see the course, but you can see here only no course is appearing. This is because it will the course list will be generated through the scheduled task. Okay, so I have to execute my cron. So let me uh, execute my cron here manually. Okay, so it will take some time to execute it. So after executing the cron, the list should ideally appear here. But let's wait for another moment here. Yeah, if I refresh this, so I can see the list of the courses here. Got it? So please don't be surprised after the installing. You'll also have to check your cron is in progress. Yeah, it is running mode. So the backup I can see with this course. So it is showing in the side because the only backup this course will have only the backups. Got it? So you can also see the additional stats that if I click on view stats, I can see the backup of this mode assign, how much size is taking, the question size, how much it is taking. You can see the detail like this also by clicking this view as that. Okay, so total size around the course it is taking this, and let's you can also export this report. And in case you have to check for any particular one like LMS training, this is a course category. So this is the course. Okay, so in case you want to check for any particular course, you can also go for that. Yeah, and the same you can whatever is coming here in the list you can export in Excel CSV file. Okay, so this is CSV file exported. You can export like this. Now coming to top 10 users, you also see here the how much this particular user consuming your space on the server. So that's it from this video. Hope you'll have some idea how you can use in case you require to get the fish course taking more insights, then you can use this plugin for sure. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.